so banga.
Would I there na the bar? Money man don't call na the bar. Eh, would I there na the bar? Diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Would I there na the bar? Money man don't.
What's up, Team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake of MaCa. So, I'm here to do a final. This is going to be a quick video. I'm here to do a final update. I think I threw away the first container before ever I decided I'm going to keep all the container. I threw away everything. But if you guys have been watching my videos, you guys already know what is about to go down. So I finally finished the MaCAROOT. I think I picked up 3 bottles because I know I picked up 3 of the fenugreek and 3 of the MaCAROOT, but I think I threw the first one before ever I decided that I want to keep all the containers and to come and do final review. So yeah, I only have 2, but in each capsule, in each bottle you have 60 capsules. So this is the bottle. This brand overall, it's very, very good. Actually, it's a very good brand. I love it. This is the brand name. It's very good. I love it. The only thing that I don't like about this MaCAROOT is the sexual drive, like how it just increases your sexual drive. That is the only thing I don't like about it. But since I have been taking this MaCAROOT, I've seen great result. If you guys have watched my last video when I show you guys how much I have gained, if you guys have not seen that video, I'll put it right here. I was a little bit embarrassed on that video, but I'm like, you know what, I just have to come and be 100% real with you guys and share with you guys how far I am with my MaCAROOT journey. I'm so happy that I'm finally done taking it, because actually I wanted to finish this MaCAROOT, so I was taking like consistently just because I wanted to finish, and I've seen the result when I was taking it consistently, how I look. I'll put a picture here for you. Maybe if I still have the video, I'll put for you guys here so you guys can see. I gained a lot of weight, and I'm still trying to like lose some belly fat. I wasn't exercising, I wasn't doing anything, I wasn't weight training, I wasn't doing anything. I was just taking the MaCAROOT. I was like eating, and then I was drinking this drink that I purchased from the Lidl that I share with you guys also. I was drinking that, and I was eating a lot, and I wasn't doing any exercise. Excuse me. I wasn't doing any exercise, so I gained a lot of weight until I was like, you know what, I need to start working out and doing something. It was crazy. So I'm finally done taking this MaCAROOT. I'm so happy. I want to take a break from the MaCAROOT because I've gained a lot of weight. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how much kilo, but I know I've gained a lot of weight because of this jean. I'm wearing waist trainer right now. This jean that I'm wearing is size okay, this jean is size 40, and I used to wear this jean when I first gave birth to my daughter. And that's how fat I was. So I was wearing size 40. And now this is the jean that I'm putting on. And I have barely no space. The only space I have is my waist, because I'm wearing waist trainer. I'm wearing the waist trainer. I'm trying to shape my waist. But this jean is size 40. And this is the reason why I started to exercise, because when I was cold, I wanted to go outside with the kids, and I was like, it's so cold, I can't wear a dress, let me just find a jean. And I took one of my jeans from my closet, and they couldn't fit me, guys. The jeans couldn't come up my leg, and I was like, what? And normally I wear size 38. And the jeans couldn't fit me, and I was like, okay, let me just take this my old jean. Luckily I didn't throw it away. I'm like, let me just take this my old jean and just wear it and see. And I put this jean on, and it fit. it fits me, and I was like, Lord have mercy. I was like, Lord have mercy, this jean fit me. Is this how it has become? And then that is when I was like, okay, I'm gonna start working out. And I think I've posted my first workout video. I still have a couple of videos that I need to post, because this week I've made a lot of videos and I have so much video I need to edit and I need to post them. But I post my first workout video. You guys check the link, I'll post for you guys here. And I was struggling the first time. The second time was a little bit better, but the first time I was struggling. And I was like, no, I need to start waist training. So now all my jeans in my closet, none of them can fit me anymore, except my jeans that I used to wear when I was pregnant and after pregnancy. That's like 3 years ago. 3 years ago, I was wearing, when it comes to jeans, I was wearing 40, 42, depends on the style, because you know, some jeans 40 can be smaller and 42 can be okay. So, and I was like, what, it has become this way. I didn't really mind the jean size. It was my stomach was the one that like I was like, no, I'm done. So like, I'm really happy that I'm done with this MacaRoot. So I'm gonna take like a break from MacaRoot for now. I'm still taking the fenugreek. Now that I'm taking break from the MacaRoot, I'm taking the fenugreek. The fenugreek video, I can't really come and show you guys like my breast area, because I did a video where I wear like this black body net something, in which you guys could see a little bit of how my breast has grown a little bit, and that video is flagged by YouTube. That video got flagged by YouTube, so I can't really show you guys much. But yeah, with the MacaRoot, I'm really happy. I'm grateful for the result I got. Just that advice: if you're going to start taking any weight gain thing, MacaRoot, whatever, make sure you exercise. Make sure you do something, because you don't know where the fats, where your body fat goes. For me, it's now, of course, I've given birth to three children, 3 kids. Of course, my stomach is a little bit looser now, so I really have to train it. But the fat on my stomach is not that much compared to when I showed my friends, they were like, oh, Ami, please shut up. It's not that much, but for me, because I'm not used to that kind of belly fat, it was a lot for me. I was like, okay, I'm happy. This bottle is done. Let's just move on to exercise and no more MacaRoot. But I'm still drinking the drink that I got from the Lidl. I'm still drinking it. I'm still drinking my smoothies. Follow me on Instagram. I try to make like mini videos to show you guys the smoothies that I'm drinking. So I still drink my smoothies. I still make my juice. I still do other things, but I'm just going to take a break from the MacaRoot. And I'm still on my exercise, even though the first 2-3 days I really did some really hard exercise and I had so much pain on my body. It was so crazy. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick with the smoothie, the shake that I'm drinking, my own shake. I make avocado, banana and stuff like that. I'm gonna stick with that till I get my belly under control. I'm not going to starve myself. I'm just going to be eating my food, but I'm going to be wearing my waist trainer. As you guys can see, like right now, this last 3 days, I have been really putting my waist trainer a lot. I've been wearing it in the morning till in the evening, sometimes 8 hours, sometimes more than 8 hours, but I try to wear it at least. I just try to put it on at least so that I can actually help shape my body. So yeah, I love it. I love it. I love the result that I got. The results are beautiful. I love it. As you guys can see on my face are chubby. My hand is like, I got like, this is how you know, like before I used to have like muscles, like I used to have like my hand used to shape, you think I'll go to the gym every single day. So when you want to know that I have gained weight, when I do my hand like this, you don't see the line that used to be here and here, and you guys know that I'm gaining weight, man. And you guys can see on my cheekbone, my face. I don't even need to explain that I'm gaining weight. If you guys cannot see the fat on my cheek and on my face, my collarbone is covered. Of course, this side is always going to be like this, but like its majority is covered. It's not like anymore, it's just covered. My face is just, it's crazy, but you know what, I love it. So yeah guys, this is just my final review on the MacaRoot. I really love it. If you're on the age, one thing I have to say, make sure you always consult your doctor before taking it. Even though these herbs, they are natural herbs, at the same time, make sure you talk to your doctor. Make sure you do your own research before ever taking this, because I know sometimes there are certain medication you cannot take with some herbs. So yeah, so make sure you contact your doctor so you can get your doctor's own opinion, and also make sure you do your own research. You know, don't just go ahead and watch a YouTube video and thinking, okay, I know what's best for me. So yeah, Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Team Fullest, peace out, bye.